Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford F-150 headlight flickering issue and what could be causing it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. Headlight flickering in the Ford F-150 is commonly described as headlights dimming, pulsing, or flickering intermittently while driving, idling, or when electrical loads change. Verified owner reports and service information show that headlight flickering concerns have been reported across multiple Ford F-150 model years and generations, with causes varying based on electrical system design, lighting technology, and vehicle condition. One verified and frequently reported cause involves charging system irregularities. An alternator that is not providing stable voltage or a failing voltage regulator can cause headlights to flicker as electrical output fluctuates, especially at idle or during acceleration. Another confirmed cause relates to battery condition and electrical connections. A weak battery, corroded battery terminals, or loose ground connections can lead to inconsistent voltage delivery, resulting in flickering headlights and other electrical symptoms. Headlight wiring or connector issues are also documented factors. Damaged wiring, loose connectors, or poor grounding at the headlight assemblies can interrupt current flow and cause intermittent flickering. Lighting control module or switch-related issues have also been reported. Faults within the headlight switch, multifunction switch, or body control module can affect headlight operation and lead to flickering under certain conditions. Bulb or lighting component wear is another verified consideration. In halogen systems, aging bulbs may flicker before failing. In models equipped with HID or LED lighting, failing ballasts, drivers, or control modules can cause inconsistent illumination. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include accessory electrical load changes, aftermarket lighting installations, or software-related control behavior. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include testing battery and alternator output, inspecting and cleaning electrical connections, checking headlight wiring and grounds, diagnosing lighting control modules, and replacing faulty bulbs or lighting components once confirmed. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford F-150 headlight flickering issues are resolved through electrical system repairs or lighting component replacement rather than major wiring overhaul. However, experiences vary by model year, lighting type, and vehicle equipment. In conclusion, Ford F-150 headlight flickering is typically linked to charging system instability, battery or connection issues, wiring faults, or lighting component failures. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.